Good morning. It is Friday, April 24th. For our journal this morning, it says Friendship Friday. What is your favorite thing to do when you have a play date with a friend? I know it's been probably a while since you've had a play date with a friend. Maybe it's jumping on the trampoline, maybe it's going to the park, maybe it's playing the new episode of Fortnite that was open at 7 o'clock a couple nights ago, that we got told about during our Zoom, or maybe it's just relaxing and drawing and reading. So that's our journal prompt for today. Just a reminder that we have a Zoom meeting tonight at 5 o'clock. I'll send the link out at 4:45. I hope you're all ready to share your talent. If you're not, still join us for the Zoom meeting. We'd still like to talk to you and get to see you. If your talent is something like drawing or art, maybe you want to draw your picture today, or if you've already done it, then you can just show your artwork or your drawing at the Zoom meeting. That way we can still see, because I know we have some talented artists in our class. For math, online we'll start with you. We're going to do Zern Lesson 13 and our extra math problems just like normal. No checkpoint today. Paper, we're going to do the fact page, and then you'll have Lesson 13 problem set, which looks a little bit different today. I know you guys don't have square tiles at home, so you'll just draw these on your worksheet. So the first one says construct a rectangle with 4 columns of 3. Here's 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns of 3. Separate 2 of the 3. So what we did on our worksheet, we did this a long time ago. You separate 2 of these columns. We just drew a line, a couple lines through. And then write a number bond. This is something that you might not be familiar with. Your student or your child probably remembers. So the number bond at the whole, it goes in the top. So we had 3, 6, 9, 12. Then we take each part. So it's part equals the whole. So there's 3, 6 on this part. And there is 3, 6 on this part. Then you write a repeated addition equation to match this. So this one would be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So it's there shows your 6 plus your 6. For number 2, it says construct a rectangle with 5 rows of 2. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows going across of 2. Separate 2 rows. You do the same thing. You just draw a line. Then you've got the number bond. So the first part is the whole at the top. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 whole. Separated right here. So the top part would be 4. Then the bottom part would be 2, 4, 6. Now a repeated addition equation means it all has to be the same number. So you had 2 plus 2 gets you to your 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2 gets you to your 6. So it's 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. On the back it says use 12 square tiles to construct a rectangle with 3 rows. So you can do 3 rows. And you need 3, so it'd be 3, 6, 9, and 12. So you have 3 rows of 4. Remove 1 row, so you can just do this by crossing out. How many squares are there now? 2, 4, 6, 8. Remove 1 column, just cross it out. How many are there now? 2, 4, 6. We do the same thing for the rest of the worksheet. So that's our math expectations for today. For reading, everyone's going to read the Rudy Garcia Tolson Guided Reading Group book, whichever color you've been reading. If you are doing the paper version of this learning kit, you're going to complete the vocabulary test, and you need to take a picture of this and send it to me so I can mark that you've completed this work. If you're doing the online version, you're going to take the AR test. So when you log into AR, you're going to type in Rudy Garcia Tolson. It's only the MHE editions, but you can see there's an orange level, there's a blue, and there's a green. So whichever one you've been reading, you're going to click on that and then click Take Quiz. You don't have to submit anything else. You'll be able to check your work on the internet. I feel excited when blank. Let's do two people again today. Number 6, if you're watching this, let's do 3. It's Friday. Number 17, if you're watching this, and number 6 again. What? Number 18. So numbers 6, 17, and 18. If you're watching this and you want to tell me what makes you feel excited, you will earn 2 extra dojo points. All right, it's Friday. Here's our goal for today. Fact page and problem set for math or online during an extra math session. Everyone needs to reread the Rudy Garcia book if you haven't done so already. Take the online AR test or complete the vocabulary test. I will be seeing you guys later this afternoon with your special talents. I'm looking forward to it. I need to be practicing mine too. See you what's in a couple hours. Have a great weekend if I don't get to see you on Zoom.